Hi, my name is Shreya.
Hi, my name is Chloe.
And we are the Crazy Science Girls.
Woo!
Science is the best. Put it to the test. Science is fun. Check out the sun. Science is cool. Follow the rules. The crazy girls are here. Let's give them a cheer. See the steam go fast. Let's have a blast.
Today we are going to do an experiment.
The volcano experiment.
So we're going to be making a science volcano experiment. So the material we need is red food dye, but you can use any food dye if you don't have red. We need the bicarb soda, alkaline. And we need the vinegar. The vinegar's acid.
Then we have the volcano pots for putting experiments in it.
Yeah, but if you don't have a volcano pot, you can just use a bowl or a cup.
You have a cup to tip it in the volcano pot. You can explode in the volcano pot. Then we have the spoon to tip in some ingredients in it.
So first, what do we need to do is we need to put the bicarb soda into this pot.
Put the vinegar into the cup. So that's a little bit.
Next, we are going to put the red dye into the pot, just a few scoops. So when we mix the vinegar into the bicarb soda alkaline, it's going to make a chemical reaction and it's going to explode. So Chloe, do you want to do that?
Yeah. Then I put into the red dye and vinegar into the bicarb soda. You see the explosion?
We observe like the bubbles mix and the vinegar and the bicarb soda reacted.
Then it exploded and went all over the table. Then it was fun.
Yeah, it was really fun. Oh, vinegar and bicarb mix. They release carbon dioxide by
Acid and alkaline. We're going to make a
Chemical reaction.
Thank you for watching our science experiments, Crazy Girls. I hope you guys will like it.
If you guys like the experiment, please check out our Volcano Park School YouTube channel for more experiments. Please like, share, comment and subscribe to Volcano Park School YouTube channel. See you next time.
Bye.
Bye.